I'm geeking out. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Do you
Really cool. I mean, like a little mini tri-lug.
look how cool that it like that?
Like you push it in.
Oh, okay. And then just pop it.
Nice. That is a
Literally.
cool setup. Yeah.
Because you used to be able to sit there and...
Yeah, and twist. Yeah.
There are a lot of options.
This is something we're actually really excited about. We've actually done this is the S98. It's a dedicated 9mm camera. It's kind of running off like our Osprey system you can see right there. We've got that tab. What's interesting is this QD system, say you mount it and it's sitting like that. You can just press that tab, rotate it until it indexes where you want, and then it's going to go. This runs off of a brand new adapter design.
Oh wow!
It's a modified sort of miniature tri-lug system.
That's what I was about to say. I was like, it's kind of like a tiny tri-lug.
And the really interesting thing about this is it's designed to be small enough of a diameter you do not need to remove it to take your barrel out of your gun.
Oh, that makes sense for cleaning purposes and everything. It's just
On
not.
your gun, it stays there, and you can put one of these on a bunch of your different guns, move this can back and forth between it. So like I said, say you're moving it between guns, you mount it, it goes on, and you're like, oh, that doesn't look right. That's kind of weird. You just push that tab, rotate it down, locks in place.
Wow, that is insane.
These are crazy light as well.
Wow.
It's a dedicated 9mm titanium can.
This is insane. How do you guys doing it? This is some sort of magic. It does not weigh. It weighs a little more than this, but like for what you're getting, that's insane. Are you able to shoot this on like a PCC or something, or this is just direct to the pistol? Just 9mm.
9mm.
Because like design-wise, this is sick. Like, wow.
It's a lot like our Osprey as far as like design.
Yeah.
Which is what I was hoping that this
Something design, the bore is higher. Nice part about that too is you don't need to run suppressor heights.
Absolutely. Wow.
I really like it. It has a fantastic tone. Some of the best tone I've heard out of a night.
Yeah.
I have one that I've got for testing and evaluation purposes. It runs fantastic. I've swapped Glock, CZ, and it runs on both.
This is super cool.
Those are the ones.
We're super excited about that. This is the mad scientist behind it.
Do you know overall like average price that this would be around like 1K?
I don't know off the top of my head.
But like a ballpark. Okay. All right.
If I did, I'd have one. But
Okay. I assume it would be around 1K-ish. It probably won't be cheaper.
it's a fair guess, but your guess is brand new. So.
And another one thing I wanted to ask you is, do you need a special barrel to thread that in, or this is just 1/2 by 28?
28.
Wow.
So your standard 9mm threaded barrels are going to be blue.
You just sold it. You sold it to me. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Biden himself will come to your house.
So
The micro tri-lug. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
and you don't have to ever take it off because like I have.
It's a small enough diameter that you can leave it on your barrel. I have run into issues with some manufacturers where so you go ahead and set it down when you press it.
Oh, okay.
You
Not,
gotta make sure it's lined up, and then as soon as you do, you've got to press down on the can until that spring depresses, and then rotate it.
okay.
And now you're good to go. Rotate it to where you want to index it. There you go.
Wow. That's dummy proof, huh?
What was the time on the build?
Oh, it's not there whatsoever. That is in line with the bore. Yep. You can't see, I can.
I was just gonna tell them what their time.
You did a hell of a job, mad scientist.
Title with pride.
Yep.
But so a guy did a build drill. He's a professional. Gun on the table, no round in the chamber. Can on the side. From pickup, attachment, racking the slides, 6 shots on paper, 2.6 seconds.
Jesus
Time
Christ.
to first shot was like 1.7.
Wow.
That one made me really happy. So I was like, okay, it did its job.
It looks sick. Like, it looks badass
And
on
most
the gun.
firearms, you'll be able to remove the barrel for cleaning without removing
Yep,
the
and that's such a big thing because that's incredibly annoying to untie everything all the time.
Generally, we recommend locking the slide back to put it on, take it off type of thing. Safety factor, but then it also gets rid of that initial impression of the spring to, you're like, oh, I'm good, and you're not good.
Yeah.
So you get an actual feel for what the QD system is doing.
I never wanted a 9mm can more than right now. this is
something right.
this is insane. You
This is the one to get
exactly.
As quiet as the Osprey 9.
Yep.
Same where to go. Same weight. A little bit shorter as
Yep.
the Spectre 9. And the first round pump is 0.
Okay. And
it
just
sounds great.
the way of attaching it is a game changer. Like how easy that is. You're not sitting there like a crazy mad person.
You don't have to
Screwing
roll tape
it.
on it. You
Yeah.
don't have to, I've seen some of those guys. I'm like, that's
That's funny.
too much work
Yeah.
to
It's in that
fly.
pinch, but man, you get that thing hot.
Yeah, but
Exactly. You forget that thing on.
So anyway,
Honestly, so cool.
thank you.
Great job.
It's exactly.
Knock your gun one way.
That's what I was thinking. But how does it work? Can you show it to me?
So this guy, you thread it in, put this guy on your gun, thread this guy down, and then you get reasonably close, and then as soon as it's in the right spot, you crank
It's
this
small
collar
enough
down,
to where you can take
Wow.
the barrel out without having
and
to
it'll lock
remove
it down,
the
and now
mount.
it's time.
Okay. So this is mostly like for hunting, or where do you use this?
A big round, so hunting's a big one. You can get a better follow-up shot.
That's what I'm thinking, right?
It's really
Titanium can.
Titanium
Yeah.
It will work on any of our Bravo patterns, so our bigger bore bolt-action cans.
Okay.
There's one right
It's
there.
been doing really good in like PRS shooting, precision rifles.
Yeah, that's another one.
We have a few
Competition.
guys that have won several competitions running.
What is this?
Wow.
Stainless, Inconel?
And that is such an easy way of timing it, because as soon as I saw it, I was like, wait a second, how is that gonna work?
This guy might know.
Stainless.
Stainless.
Stainless. So 17.4.
Current.
That titanium can is what I
Easy to work with.
that are out hunting.
Yeah.